Domus Line stands out on the linear LED luminaire market for high-quality lighting and the choice to target the furniture and interior design sector directly. Domus Line studies, designs and industrializes dedicated solutions specifically created for countless applications which are also easy to install. LED Profiles Collection, an array of models for recessed and surface installation, with symmetrical and asymmetrical beam projection. Luminaires with a minimalist design that perfectly integrates into the furnishing elements. Flexyled Collection, an extraordinarily wide choice of flexible LED strips for use as an integral part of linear devices. Domus Line has also created a range of remarkably flexible silicone profiles, requiring just 4mm housings for installation. Most models can be switched on, switched off and dimmed by means of touch dimmer switches, wireless controls, infrared proximity sensors, and presence sensors. The elegant understatement encloses many qualities, such as the excellent performance guaranteed by new LED strips, fitting OSRAM diodes, and with a variable linear density that can be altered as required. The light color temperature can be adjusted as you wish, using white changeable technology and tunable white technology. Finishes are inspired by the latest trends. A new palette of stylish colors and surface finishes that are pleasant to the touch. A wide range of customization possibilities for solutions capable of satisfying any demand. All this is bolstered by the confidence to be equipped to access markets worldwide, thanks to the exclusive set of global market access certifications.